friends, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Hope. Welcome to my home. This is where I share my love of DIY projects, backyard projects, chickens, and maybe a little baking like I will be doing today. It is summertime here, which means it is zucchini season. Now, normally we have a full-on garden, but this year we just felt the need to take a break from that. We did plant a few of these raised beds that you see here. However, they are terribly neglected. It has just not been in our heart this year to garden for whatever reason. So we did plant a zucchini plant and a couple of squash, and they are both playing out. So I'm grabbing the last zucchini to make a summer tradition that I have grown up with, which is homemade zucchini bread. So I will be doing that today, along with my project that I have going on in our foyer. So come hang out with me and let's spend some time together. So I have been staring at this lantern for several years now, and I love it, but it could be better. And what I'm thinking is using some gold leaf to paint that, simply because I have some other things in this foyer that have touches of gold. Like I have an antique mirror back here that I got at an estate sale. I have this French provincial bench I found at a thrift store for 65 bucks. Online, they average about anywhere from like $1,200 to $1,600. And I found this at a thrift store for 65 bucks. So it has a gold paint on it already. I was going to restore it. But once I got it into this space, I realized it's perfect the way it is. So I'm not going to touch it. That said, it has the gold on it. And with the gold touches in this space, this black lantern is just sticking out like a sore thumb to me, and I just can't stand it anymore. So I'm going to change it. And here is what I'm thinking. I'm not sure if this is a good idea or not, but we'll see. So here's what I'm thinking. I have this little jar of gold leaf paint that I got at Hobby Lobby for literally like around $5. And I'm going to, while it's hanging, I'm going to paint this lantern with this gold leaf. Now, I have already done this to our front door handle and our house numbers back in the summer. I did a front porch refresh, and so I painted our black metal front door handle and our house numbers, like I said, with this gold leaf, and it turned out amazing. And the paint is holding up so well. I'm just really surprised. And I saved probably $150 to $200 on a new door handle just because I used this $5 jar of gold leaf to do that. So and this has an antique finish to it, so it's not like this super bright, brassy, shiny, polished chrome. It's more of a satin finish, which is why I think it's going to work beautifully on this metal lantern that is hanging here in the foyer. So let's get started, and fingers crossed that I'm not making a terrible mistake. Worst case scenario, I take it down and I spray paint it properly, but I really feel like this is going to be the easy button. So let's see what happens. a painter's blue tape to mask off that whatever the thing is that the disc that attaches to the ceiling. I taped around that to keep from getting paint on my ceiling. I had to learn the hard way to use blue tape and not your traditional masking tape. Trust me, use this because it does not leave residue. It does not stick permanently like other tapes do. So don't do what I did. Use this. So that is taped off. So now we will start painting. Okay. I think I will start. Where do I want to start? There's not a spot that would not be seen, so I guess I'm just going to go for it and start on the disc up at the ceiling and just go for it. That is the most visible, eye-catching part of the lantern, I guess. So I'm just going to jump off the deep end and go for it. Here we go. I will say that this paint is very strong when it's fumed, so make sure that you are in a well ventilated space as well. I have my front door open, which explains the bad lighting, sorry, but it is necessary for this. So, okay, here we go. It's scary. So there you have it. That is my homemade zucchini bread. Let me know if you try this recipe. I would love to hear about your experience with that. And also, what did you think about my $5 upgrade to my foyer lantern? I'm very happy with it. I think it turned out great. So thank you again for hanging out with me for a few minutes today, and I hope I see you again on the next one. Have a blessed day.